Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Canva Pro or Teams plan with magic media access and a clear creative brief. Once confirmed, open a new design and choose your canvas size. I recommend 16:9 for wide images. Next, write a concise prompt that states subject, style, lighting, and color palette. Include aspect ratio and focal point. Make sure to upload brand assets now so they are available when you iterate. You now craft layered prompts that combine subject, artistic style, camera angle, and mood. Explain why each element matters to guide the AI. Once done, paste the prompt into Canva's text-to-image tool and set generation options. Lower creativity gives consistent output while higher yields variety. Make multiple generations, compare compositions, and flag images with the best silhouette and color harmony. Then, export those versions to the canvas and start compositing with text and shapes for context. You finish by refining selected images. Remove backgrounds, mask edges, and blend with overlays so elements read clearly. Once refined, choose export settings: PNG for transparency, JPG for photos, and SVG when vector output is supported, then export at 2x for sharpness. If the image looks off, simplify your prompt, lower creativity, or regenerate with tighter constraints. Sometimes swapping a single adjective corrects style drift. Finally, save a prompt library so you can reproduce successful results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.